Gusto mo bang gawing sleek at high performance ang exterior paint ng car mo? With a finish na mas better pa kaysa sa traditional ceramic coating? O gusto mong protektahan ang auto mo mula sa mga elements while making it as good as new? Uy! Baka ito na ang sign na hinihintay mo para magpa-graphene coating ka ng kotse. Good day! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life, and today, we will dive into 7.5 reasons kung bakit magandang i-consider ang graphene coating ng Laguna wrap sa kotse mo. Start tayo! Number 1. Graphene coating is a newer technology than ceramic coating. Yes, graphene coating is a newer technology na gumagamit ng graphene oxide which gives added protection sa kotse, like higher tensile strength, water resistance, and a smoother surface. Mas durable siya sa ceramic coating and mas resistant sa UV rays, acid rains, at harmful chemicals. Since the bond with your car's paint is stronger, mas longer lasting din ang protection nito. Anyway, yung graphene coat na gamit ng Laguna wraps na Miraco ay manufactured in Taiwan and currently used in Hong Kong, Malaysia, India, Dubai, at marami pang iba. Laguna wraps din ang exclusive distributor ng Miraco dito sa Pilipinas. Number 2. Durability and performance. Graphene coating can be harder than ceramic coating and more flexible at tougher. At base nga sa resulta ng test, ang hardness level ng graphene coat na ginagamit ng Laguna wraps ay 10H. That's pretty hard ha? Anyway, graphene coating has long-lasting durability. Hindi lang ito basta glossy finish. It can also realistically last for 3 to 5 years, depende sa pag-aalaga ng kotse, environment, at marami pang factors. It provides protection from water spots, bird droppings, tree sap, and other harmful contaminants. At dahil hydrophobic ang graphene, hindi ganun kadali didikit ang water at dirt sa surface. Super easy to clean din ito at mas less ang maintenance in the long run. Kaya kahit ulan, init, o dust, your car will stay protected and looking fresh for a longer time. Less worry, more driving enjoyment. Number 3. Excellent location. Near Enchanted Kingdom. Sabi nga nila, location is key. Good thing yung pinapag-graphene coating natin na Laguna wraps ay nasa San Lorenzo Subdivision sa Santa Rosa, Laguna lamang. Few minutes away lang ito mula sa Santa Rosa exit sa SLEX at malapit lang sa Enchanted Kingdom at Walter Mart, Balibago. Kung taga-South ka, sobrang dali lang puntahan ito. Kaya habang pinapamper nila ang kotse mo, pwede kang mag-enjoy sa mga nearby attractions sa EK o kaya naman ay mag-shopping sa Walter. Sobrang convenient niyan lalo na kung busy ang schedule mo at need mong gumawa ng ilang errands while waiting. Number 4. One-stop shop. Dechroming, ceramic window tint, PPF, and graphene coating. Ang Laguna wraps ay hindi lang para sa graphene coating, they are a one-stop shop for all your car customization needs. Nag-o-offer sila ng wrap o dechroming, ceramic window tint, paint protection film, at syempre yung pinagawa nga nating graphene coating. All in one place kaya naging mas convenient. Kaya kung may gusto kang ipagawa bukod sa graphene coating, Laguna wraps definitely has you covered. Number 5. One-day process. No need to be without your car for long. Siguro iniisip mo, paano yan? Need ko ang kotse, hindi ko kayang mawala ng sakyan for several days. Don't worry, yung graphene coating process sa Laguna wraps usually ay tumatagal lamang na isang araw. Yes, in just one day, you can expect to see that shiny, high-performance finish na matagal mo nang gustong ma-achieve sa kotse. May mga exceptions lang. Kunyari, sobrang lakas ng ulan, it may affect the curing process ng graphene coating. The coating may not have fully bonded, so it could potentially still absorb some water that can lead to less effective hydrophobic properties. Sayang naman kung mga basa sa ulan. Kaya para sure, the following day mo na lang i-pick up ang kotse to give it more time na mag-cure. Tas after 1 week mo na lang ipa-car wash para siguradong fully cured na ang kotse. Anyway, sa case ko, dahil mainit naman ang panahon, 5 PM ng hapon ay nakuha ko na si Raven. Inabot lamang ng 8.5 hours ang buong process mula preps hanggang coating. Number 6. Ideal for both old and new cars. We usually think na para lang sa brand new cars ang graphene coating, pero hindi. Kahit old car pa yan, tulad nga ng kotse ko na medyo mataas na ang mileage at 4.5 years na rin ang edad, kitang-kita pa rin ang epekto ng graphene coating. Parang ang binigyan ng bagong buhay ang paint ni Raven. Balik ang tingkad at alindog ng pintura. Nabawasan din ang mga hairline scratches at acid marks sa paint. Mas nabuhay ang kulay, tas mas kumintab din ang finish. Imagine kung anong epekto nito sa newer car model na fresh at pristine pa ang pintura. For sure, mas panalo ang magiging result. Pero may hangganan ng paint correction ng shop ha, kaya kailangan mong i-manage ang expectation mo. Especially kung malala na ang kondisyon ng pintura ng auto mo o kaya naman ay medyo malalim na ang damage sa paint. Baka hindi na totally makorek yan. Tulad ng sa akin, may mangilan-ngilang tama sa paint na hindi na talaga kaya makorek. Remember, ang ganda ng graphene coat ay nakadepende sa current condition ng paint. Kaya the earlier you coat your car, the better. Number 7, affordable package. Now, baka naman isipin mo na sobrang mahal ng graphene coating. Base sa experience ko sa Laguna Wraps, reasonable yung price ng package nila. Halos kapresyo lang din ito ng ceramic coating sa ibang shop. 10,000 pesos para sa small hatchback at sedan, at 12,000 pesos naman para sa mga crossover at SUV. Please note na introductory price lamang ito ng Laguna Wraps ha, pwede magbago ang price. With that, considering the quality ng service at newer technology ang makukuha mo rito, sulit na siya. It's actually a great deal for what you're getting. So, kung hinahanap mo yung best value for your money, Laguna Wraps will make sure na you get the best package na saswak sa budget mo. Number 7.5, subscriber discount. Literal na bonus point ito. Para mas malaki ang savings, Laguna Wraps offers an exclusive limited life subscriber discount. Yes, you can get that graphene coating package at a special lower price kapag ginamit mo ang discount code natin na Limited X Laguna Wraps. Again, Limited X Laguna Wraps. May instant 1,000 pesos less kayo sa graphene coat package nila. Malaking menos na rin yan ha. For more details, let me introduce Sir Stephen, isa sa mga owners ng Laguna Wraps Santa Rosa. He will discuss yung subscriber discount natin, give more details about the services they offer, and invite you to visit their shop.
Hello guys, I'm Stephen of Laguna Wraps. So if you need na mga pagpapaganda sa mga sasakyan nyo like ganito, dechroming, full wrap, we also have PPF and nano ceramic tint para sa mga windows ninyo. Punta lang kayo dito, malapit lang sa Enchanted Kingdom sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Laguna Wraps, message lang kayo sa page. O nga pala guys, if nakasubscribe kayo kay Chan Limited Life sa YouTube, screenshot nyo lang na nakasubscribe kayo sa kanya, sa inyo sa amin. Bibigyan namin kayo ng discount.
Thank you, Sir Stephen. So kung gusto mong i-level up ang protection at appearance ng kotse mo, subukan mong i-check ang graphene coating sa Laguna Wraps in Santa Rosa, Laguna. It will provide additional protection for your vehicle tulad ng higher tensile strength, water resistance, at mas smoother na surface. Remember, hindi lang ito basta paint protection. It is also the hottest car care technology right now. Ayun lang! I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this content. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating Limited Life YouTube channel and follow my Facebook and TikTok accounts for more related contents. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-Chanli! Drive safely! Ingat!